Hello traders, Danny this side from Nexus Indicator, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to download data with the Nexus data downloader and how to use it to manage data on your disk. So once you have installed the Nexus data downloader, you have to click on the new in the NinjaTrader control center and then select Nexus data downloader. Once you open the data downloader window, you have to first select what symbol you want to download and what time frame you want to download it for. So let's go ahead and download the data for NQ. So as I just want to download NQ, if in case I press the download all button right now by selecting 7 days, it will download all the 4 symbols that are being displayed in the symbols. But what you can simply do is select a symbol and remove selected. So we are just left with 3, but we only want for NQ. So I'll select this one and press my control key on my keyboard and select the other one. So I select both of them at the same time and then select remove selected. Now we are left with NQ, and then we select a time frame. You can select a custom time frame by opening the calendar, and you can also select the preset date time frames from here, and then simply select download all data. And what it would do is it will process the data automatically and it will auto select the symbol that was being used for that particular time frame. So in this case it is NQ0926. If you are downloading data for an older period, it will automatically detect the contract name and it will start the download. So let's just wait for the data to get downloaded, and then I'll show you how you manage the data when you have already downloaded the data and you want to remove the data to save disk space. Alright, so once the data is downloaded, you will get this message at the bottom that the instrument succeeded, and you would also see the done button, display over here, just below the download all data button. And this button will change from cancel to download all data, so you know that the data has been downloaded. Now let me go into the playback and then select the data. Just a sec. We go into playback, select the market replay, and this is the data we downloaded for this period from 20th till 24th, because the last 2 days were weekend, so it skipped those 2 days and selected the last 5 days of data. Let's click continue. Now this is a normal NinjaTrader freeze, sometimes that happens, so simply disconnect and then click playback again, select the data and click continue, and the data would get loaded. So now the time frame is selected between 20th till the 24th. I can simply click the play button and you can see the data is now moving. So that's how you download the data from the Nexus data downloader. And if in case you want to delete a certain data, you can simply do that by going into the Nexus data downloader, click on manage data, then click scan disk. It would show you what data is present on your disk, and you can select that and click delete selected, and you can remove that data, keeping your disk space available, at the same time manage your data effectively. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and hope you have a great day ahead.